So this question says a blue truck travels with a velocity of 15 meters per second when it crosses the starting line. So let's visualize this. Here's our truck and it's got a velocity of plus 15 meters per second. So it's traveling to the right at 15 meters per second when it passes the starting line. It has a velocity of plus 5 meters per second when it crosses the finish line. So I'm going to assume the finish line is over here. This is plus 5 meters per second and it's crossing the finish line. It travels with a constant acceleration, and that means that we can use kinematic equations, and taking 8 seconds to travel from the starting line to the finish line. So if I have a clock on the truck, it's going to say 0 seconds here. And if I have the same clock on the truck, it's going to say 8 seconds there. What is the displacement of the finish line compared with from the starting line? So I want to go from here. I'm going to have delta x and to there. So that's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find this delta x. So there's my visualization, and let's come across here and let's make ourselves a list. So we say vi, my initial velocity is plus 15 meters per second. That's vi is here. And my vf is equal to plus 5 meters per second, and vf is here. My acceleration, I don't know, but it is constant, which means I can use kinematic equations. My time interval, my delta t, which equals t final minus t initial, which equals 8 minus 0, which equals 8 seconds. And what it wants me to find is my delta x, and that's what I don't know. So I need to come up with an equation which links these 4 parameters. And the one that comes to mind is delta x equals 1/2 vi plus vf bracket delta t. That's basically saying the average velocity times the time. So delta x is equal to 1/2 plus 15. And that's a thing, so let's put it in parentheses. Plus 5 is the final velocity times my time interval, which is 8. So delta x is equal to, well, 15 plus 5 is 20. Half of 20 is 10. So this would be plus 10 times 8, which equals plus 80 meters. So there's my answer. It's plus 80 meters. So the distance from the start to the finish we learned was 80 meters. And there we have it.